The next topic about left and right diagonal addition in 2D arrays. So same thing as you see, the variable block will be ij. Then I make left diagonal equal to 0, right diagonal equal to 0. I will be also using a variable called as k to shift from one column to the other column. Okay, so I am giving all these variables and an array variable is declared. The next one will be the input block where you take the input there. So you take the input like I, J and all that. And after you take the input, you are having a print block where you are printing the matrix. After you print the matrix, what you do here is the calculation block. So in this calculation block, you should understand one thing like if I am taking this, if I'm taking like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and if I see the index value 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, all these are given. Now I wanted only the left diagonal elements, that is this one, and this one. If you see the index value 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 2. That is the reason why I am printing LD is equal to LD plus A of I and I only this. It will be the same elements throughout 0, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 2. But when you go with the next slide, which is called as if we go with the next slide, which is a column diagonal. So if I go with the column diagonal, how to go about it? Now, as I've told you, I have to have a variable called as k, which will shift to the third element. That is 0, 1, 2. This is the third element, right? So it has to come here. So I make k equal to 3 just like a pointer. Then I keep reducing 2, 1, and 0. So for that reason, I am having k equal to k minus 1. Okay. So the control is transferred from this column to this column by giving a control variable called as k, and I'm reducing the column variable by what? So j is the second column, right? So 2, 1, and 0 is reduced that way, and I can print this by giving a of I and k. That is how it's printed. Okay. Now the next one is I'm printing the output. So here I print the output like left diagonal and the right diagonal. Okay, then the program will be printed accordingly.